goodness, Eleanor's going to learn to play the piano. This is a really nice keyboard piano. Welcome to the review, you guys. We are going to do a review of this piano. Are you going to sing with it, Eleanor? This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is really nice. Memphis is like, maybe I'll play it. Yeah, what do you think? Ooh.
Yeah, it's very nice.
The keys are weighted, so it feels like a piano. I noticed that. I thought that was pretty cool. It has so many features. Do we want to show them the back before we show them all the features?
Yeah. So obviously, to start with, it does have the pedal.
It has pedals.
So it's got your whatever your. I think that was the mute. And that's
Oh, yep. There you go. Look at her look.
So yeah, so it's got the pedals. And then
look out, Memphis. Let's see around the back here. Oh, you can close it as well,
yes,
which is nice.
We'll show you more of that. So you can put an input, headphones. There's an extra pedal.
Yep, there's another
MIDI
pedal.
port and a USB.
Okay, cool.
And of course, the power charger.
Yep.
The on-off button.
Nice.
And it is a nice wooden top.
Yeah.
And
opens and closes, which is nice.
yep, has the stand for the.
You can either put your music there or put a tablet there to learn how to play.
Yep, and it's got the little thing to stop it.
Oh, nice.
And then and then it has a ton of things. I can't even.
And we don't have to go through all of them.
Yeah, I was gonna say I can't even go through, but it's got like 999 different sounds. It's crazy. But then it's also got the demo.
Okay.
So,
yep. So there's like the demo button. It can play things for you.
It's got a whole bunch of different demo tracks.
Okay. Nice. Can you hear that, Memphis?
But then it's also, I mean, you can set up where half the keyboard does one thing and then the other half does another thing.
Oh, wow.
Now, the other thing, let's see if I can get, there we go.
Ooh. That's kind of cool. Okay, yeah, so I get it.
So it's got like a whole bunch of different plays, you know.
Notes and different things you can do,
yep,
which is cool. That's pretty neat.
And then,
okay.
You hit that.
Yep.
And then if you go up a note.
Okay, yep. So you can pretend like you're playing even if you don't know how to play, you can have fun. As you're learning different things. Okay, that's kind of cool.
Right.
That's
and then
pretty
just
neat.
continue to play that one. So if you wanted to do something. Apparently them are wind chimes.
So all kinds of fun stuff, that's for sure.
And the sound of it was just really good.
Yeah, it I don't know if the camera is capturing how good it actually sounds, but it does sound really good. And I like that the keys are, like I said, just like a piano, they're actually like weighted, and when you push them and hold them, they do what they're supposed to do like a real piano. It's basically an electronic piano more than a keyboard even. Full size as well.
So I must have it on the dual.
Yeah.
Where it's split one side.
Yep. Huh. So yeah, lots of things you're gonna have to learn. But it's definitely pretty cool. It's a fun little piano.
Sounds nice.
You've had it for a while. You've been happy with it so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it sounds very nice.
Good. So if you guys are looking for a piano, a little keyboard piano, this one's really nice. And it comes just like this with the setup, with the pedals, with all that fun stuff. So.
It sounds really nice.
It sounds really nice.
Really clear sound.
We definitely recommend this.